Deep inside the rainforests of Australia, something ancient still walks the earth. Not a tiger, not a crocodile. Not even a snake. A bird. But this is no ordinary bird. Because one mistake, one wrong move, can turn a peaceful encounter into violence within seconds. And what scientists discovered shocked the world. Rainwater drips from giant rainforest trees. Heavy footsteps echo through the jungle. Then suddenly, silence. A dark figure emerges from the shadows, towering nearly 6 feet tall, with glowing blue skin and massive claws. Meet the cassowary. The bird many experts call the deadliest bird on Earth. Most birds rely on flight to escape danger, but the cassowary evolved differently. Instead of wings, nature gave it weapons. Its legs are unbelievably powerful, muscular, explosive. And then the real nightmare, its claws. Each foot contains 3 massive toes and 1 dagger-like claw, over 5 inches long. And when threatened, the cassowary attacks. It jumps forward, kicks downward, and strikes with brutal force. One moment, silence. Next, chaos. Tourists often underestimate the cassowary because it is just a bird. But that assumption is dangerous. People began feeding wild cassowaries. At first, harmless. But nature learns patterns, and when food disappeared, behavior changed. Aggression increased. Large cassowaries approached. Roads, campsites, homes. This bird is built for survival. It can sprint through dense jungle at incredible speeds. And it doesn't stop there. It can swim. The casque on its head still puzzles scientists. Some say it pushes through jungle. Others say it regulates heat. But the truth is simple. We still don't fully understand it. But here's the truth. Most people don't expect. The cassowary is essential for the rainforest. Seed dispersal, a job no other animal can fully replace. Without it, entire forests could collapse. So the deadliest bird is also a guardian. But here's the terrifying truth. Despite its power, the cassowary now faces extinction. Roads cut through ancient rainforests. Deforestation destroys its habitat. And every year, this prehistoric bird moves closer to disappearing forever, which is tragic, because the same creature feared as a monster may actually be protecting the rainforest itself. Without cassowaries, entire forest ecosystems could collapse, and perhaps that changes everything, because this bird is not evil, not bloodthirsty, not a killer. It is simply wild. Deep inside Australia's rainforests, the cassowary still walks ancient paths, older than human civilization itself. Silent, powerful, untamed, a living reminder that dinosaurs never truly disappeared. They evolved, adapted, survived. And perhaps the most frightening truth is this: nature never stopped being wild. Humans simply forgot. But somewhere in the shadows of the rainforest, the old world still exists, watching, waiting, breathing, and sometimes fighting back.